Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. Myself Jetal and today we'll be doing the project overview of Prestige Spring Heights, which is located in Manasa Hill, Rajendra Nagar, Hyderabad, a project developed by Prestige Group. And in this video, we'll be discussing about project overview, location, amenities, super built-up area, booking process, launch discount offers, and many more. But before starting the video, let me show you the actual surrounding of the project. And right now, I'm standing in front of the Prestige Nirvana Club. So they are operating from the Prestige Nirvana Club. So the salesperson will guide you from here itself, and the actual land parcel is just located in 300 meters from here. So once you visit the site, we'll be taking towards the actual site itself. And to check the actual site, you need to stay tuned until the end. Now let me introduce you with Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate pricing. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number gets shared with multiple brokers, which will result in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the brokers. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let's start with the project overview. So as you can check out, we are here on the actual land parcel where the construction work of the project is in progress. So basically this project is spread across 24 acres of land parcel, which is divided into two parts. Number one is commercial part, and the construction work is going on right in front of me where they are coming up with Forum Mall and 5-star hotel. Now about the residential area. So this residential is spread across 10.59 acres of land parcel consisting of total 4 towers with 4 basement ground plus 34 floors with 3 BHK, 4 BHK premium residencies. Now coming to the location part, and this project is located in one of the prime location in Hyderabad, just before Jaya Shankar Agriculture University in Rajendra Nagar, Hyderabad. And let me tell you one thing, that this road will take you towards ORR exit number 17 in just 3 minutes and will make you easier to connect airport and even Gachibowli IT hub. And now about the further connectivity of the project. Financial district is 15 minutes from the project. High Tech City is 20 minutes. Gachibowli IT hub is 22 minutes away from the location of the project. Now coming to the amenities part, and this project is coming up with 50 plus world-class amenities with grand clubhouse, sky lounge with perfect lake view, kids play area, gymnasium, playground, swimming pool, and many more. Now coming to the super built-up area, so as mentioned, this project provides you 3 BHK and 4 BHK premium residencies with different variants. 3 BHK compact is 1571 to 1596 square feet. 3 BHK is 1928 to 2101 square feet. 4 BHK is 2407 to 3233 square feet super built-up area. Now about the booking process. So the project booking window is open now. We are inviting our clients to come and visit the site where our sales team will explain the complete project detail, will share the payment and pricing scheme, and will show you the actual land parcel as well. And then if clients like the project, they can proceed for the booking. So everyone, this was the project overview of Prestige Spring Heights, which is located in Manasa Hill, Rajendra Nagar, Hyderabad, a project developed by Prestige Group.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.